All right, yeah, so we don't show again on top your one and only TV program, the TV program where they give you the best of entertainment, the best of everything. Now they try to open my eyes very well because they say I know they open my eyes. So time don't wish for me to open my eyes.
Because your eyes small.
It's also they squint your eyes.
We I be like Chinese chinko eye.
So I try to say, if you see me, they open my eye, not here. I want to open my eyes. So that
Apala
they open my eyes. Okay, my name is Ubi Ekigamusa, and I welcome you again to another exciting episode of Talk on top your one and only TV station, Wazobia TV. The ladies, the intelligent ladies, the beautiful ladies going to don't call themselves.
Yes, my name is Betiana Unweli, and I did very, very happy today because Amaka, you go find out what to do Amaka in a short while.
I can't introduce herself.
My name is Amaka. Amaka, I don't laugh you. You know Sasha will do by your side.
She's already by her side, I beg.
Okay.
But you dey laugh.
My name is Amaka, and good afternoon.
You don't end. No,
Today no swag. Women Queen B, I did by Amaka side today. No worry. We keep opening your eyes.
Yeah, I know, really. If I close my eyes, tell me, come open your eyes. Mama, what happened? You saw Betiana ask her, I said, I know attack her.
Amaka, you swallow strong thing.
Now frog.
Uh-oh. I actually go kiss one frog like that. I know.
So you they see Prince Charming, you they see Mr. World,
na frog.
Na frog you
kiss
decide
the
to
frog
kiss.
one by one. What are the man go
Kiss the wrong frog.
Oh.
Belle, sorry.
I'll give you honey
Organ,
and bitter cola.
Look at the organ. Nobody want organ.
It they help for Ebola too.
Thank you, Jerry.
Bitter cola, they have
Chop,
Ebola.
chop.
Go.
Amaka, no worry, your voice will come back. When you finish, we will give you honey. Once you take
But you say you know one time, let me get the honey, so I don't know why they not
I
your
get
head
honey
so.
too.
We can honey. I'll go.
Yeah.
Na my honey dey with
I'll go
you.
collect to we honey. I don't
Honey
want
is
to.
not in my room.
Na my honey dey.
Not be your honey. Not be your honey in my room. I get my own honey.
Na honey, I don't know why. Na honey, who give you the honey?
I don't say person give me.
I go find my honey. Don't worry, I go buy honey.
Because
I go find my honey.
Leave her.
Let's not Betiana give me honey.
Amaka, take it easy. Reserve your voice for when we ask you questions.
I tell you. So make it start now.
Yes.
Time done for us to talk.
Yes.
Are we ready to talk? Amaka, no, I don't need to ask the Betiana and Queen B. Amaka, are you ready to talk?
But I enjoy your
Somebody made me laugh now. I side I did.
No, they love me.
Serious, I didn't laugh.
You know, you tears that come off my eye finish. I don't blame you now. Don't worry. My voice come back. I go give it all of you.
You know how today people always tell you stories them where they happen inside Nigeria. Even stories that they happen for Bodo Yibo, we'll put on top table. All of us go check mouth inside. You too, go check your mouth inside at Talk Wazobia. 9 be our Twitter handle. Follow us for there. Like us because you go hear plenty gist on top our Twitter handle. Time don't wish for us to talk and they don't agree say make a talk. Now on top within day hot today. Our first story concerns Shantism. Shantism.
Even with your voice.
No try am.
You know they will pity
No
yourself.
try am again. See, no try. Amaka, I love you. Don't do it again.
If you want to sing, tell me. I'll help you.
All right, they talk Shantizo now. Plenty of the fans don't they come outside they complain no. Because he post one picture on top Instagram and they be like say Shantizo has entered into the bleaching arena. Be like say he don't dey bleach.
Wait,
Is that a bleaching
wait,
somebody?
it no bleach you, say na filter, but you see this in hand, you just see black. The hand be like say them burn am. You see in hand?
No,
Let's
let
see
me
the face.
bleaching, not filtering.
All right, before we actually put my this, I make I ask you now. What do you think about this Shantizo? About the fans they come outside talk say, Kai, for my eyes, if like say you don't bleach, so you have come and bleach yourself. How una say am?
Well, for me, I don't really think say Shantizo they bleach. I no one believe say in they bleach because he supposed get sense pass like that. So I no believe say you they bleach Shantizo. And you know say all these Instagram filters, they get the one where you say you go use, your face go yellow, your hand go black. You don't even do me before I say I look the picture like this. I said no, I know if you post this one. No. So I won't just believe saying a filter for your phone. And then all these phones that they make nowadays, I'm on their filter bad.
As in,
So say I be boy. and I see girl picture on top Instagram, wallahi, I no go fit toast that girl till I see her one-on-one because the filters nowadays,
now,
it dey
plenty
fear me when
filter.
the woman, not talk of man. So I no believe say Shantizu dey bleach. No. It gets sense pass like that.
Yeah, Shantizu know they bleach because the last time when I see him, he come one of our shows. As I see him, they say, "We will come." I didn't say no, they comfortable with his face. He like say get some kind, for face. So he come talk to me, we do some kind touch up for him and everything. So I believe in a filtering. He go be say he don't want make that thing show, so he can't over filter him. But as you should be usually don't experience them now. Say the hand, the black, the face, the white. Now because of that place where they in face, no be bleach.
No, but I know cover anything for my face that the way it's black and white. So now the filter, that particular filter, now you like that. Amaka no misquote me, I beg.
Okay, that one they different, but he on they different. He just filter him. He just try and make the face look clean. Okay. But now he make the hand black. But not filtering. I don't believe in it. I don't believe
Amaka, I see Shantizu like 2 weeks ago.
Shantizu!
No be say whether even me ask am say you don dey bleach.
Wetin be answer?
He say no bleach, say
He don't answer you.
Shantizu
Sign
no
of
get
good living, they give person 4 color.
Shantizu no get pink lips before. I understand then where they tell me say, okay, this film will come, he no expect them. Yes, he no expect them. But wetin make him start to dey do all those in piercing, and just to feel say, okay, he want boosting own confidence.
Feel am
Yes. Now I carry, but the bleaching reach say, you know knuckle now. When you get serious, when I mean, in knuckle be like say them put in hand for fire burn am. Now be the knuckle way he gets. If you like me, they my body, but hey, sorry, I got to talk about this. That bleaching, what are you going to look for? What's it I came with it?
Go find Pella, no they use Movate.
Pella came with it.
All those 100 Movates wey market
Make give those ones so that they drink. Yes, I get one where they drink.
Okay, yes, what will this guy they use?
Who be that?
Don't worry.
Una get bleaching friends.
But me no say it dey bleach, so maybe he just want balance the color. That's why he can't dey use filter plenty because he don't. If you check when he first drop Shole Kole, he dey Instagram then. Checking pictures for Instagram.
You know they
and
use
check
filter
the one.
that time.
Excuse me,
You
they
don't
use.
need that.
And I know the phone where they will use that time. Ask me later on top of Twitter. Go tell you. That time. So filter even plenty for that one past the one where they will use now. Except if they don't come, they upgrade extra. Yes. So hey, I know say they touch up cream 1 or 2 places. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Now when you they talk about the bleaching thing, I bet Yana knows say she want to talk about. Hey, yes, he dey bleach.
No. I still not believe saying
said
they
that
bleach.
filter
oh.
now.
Okay.
Yes,
You said
I
that
still
sign of
I still
problem.
not believe.
Exactly. I don't
But
want
as
believe say
she
they
said she
bleach.
don't see him and she ask him and he say this na reliable source. Hello, na talk lady can be this. And he
you need to
come
do
agree
reliable
say
source
in the bleach.
No, he no agree say
He
they
no
bleach. He
gree.
say na sign of.
It's like, I can't they ask for that sign of good living. They give person 4 colors. Hello, I did chop well, but I don't get now 1 color. I guess even my knuckles.
Are you living sign of? Are you living good?
Yes.
Okay, all right. But for me, you know it's in sometimes maybe now how we see this bleaching matter. Maybe in those start to use one cream where not come good for a body or one particular soap where not good for a body. So in they try go back to normal.
Okay.
So me, I just want believe say sit down on your own to bleach. Maybe na mistake. Cream where you use or soap where you use now from that.
You can't realize.
You can't realize them later. So now you they try go back to your normal self. I believe in you, Shantizu. I know so you not feel bleach.
but-
So please, I beg you, if you get her from mind, say you want bleach, not try am.
No,
Because you go ugly,
we not your
Shantizu.
bleach. Shantiz, if you want bleach, go meet Pella, so you'll be like roasting tomato.
No,
Pella, okay, I get the number. If you need the number,
Queen
tell
bee.
me. I'm agree
Why
with
una
you.
just they talk say this guy they bleach? He they filter
We
a
not talk
I'm
picture.
not
say
saying
they
they
bleach.
Now filter picture and they filter. You know bleach.
For me, I'm not saying they. I say maybe not by mistake. Maybe something where
You use cream where you
come
know
make
sometimes
your
they
face
use
white.
cream to get reaction.
Yeah.
Now soap we get.
But in case
reaction
in
Okay,
the
na
plan to
soap, na
bleach,
soap.
say we point out to the right direction.
Thank you.
Amaka they try tell us say na soap he use that time because that time when they touch him up, where them be on do interview with him, say me they touch him also na soap. So she feels say na soap.
Okay, you know, say she they stay the same house with him. So, true.
Sorry.
Yeah, na
Shantizu
so.
Pele.
Shantizu
When I
is okay.
sympathize with him.
Sean Amaka.
It's okay.
Okay.
Make we move on now.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on to the next one.
All right, the next one we get for hand concern our own very
Yeah.
How you think get that thing?
I mean, I remember say I would do am since because we want to talk about I don't get down.
Now, so
You don't dey stop.
You go down glue radio tire since yesterday because you
Oh
want
my God.
All right, now don't say yo, now on air personality on top Wazobia TV, yes, our own correct Wazobia TV for year. But in don't enter Instagram, talk something where plenty people don't they took their mouth inside, say, come, waiting they happen, yo. Why you they talk like this? And I go tell you waiting talk. Now, in talk say, contrary to the excuse where many guys they give, talk say a good wife material, say they hard to find. He said so many young ladies they marry for inside 2014. So you want to say they're not be good wife material?
Oh.
He said to the single guys, we spend the whole of in 2014, they sample or tepuna babes them, and they dump them without better excuse. You know, they see them say they know they marry, they marry because plenty of them marry for inside 2015. How you go feel when you did 2014? He said because this 2015 na another chance for you to turn around. He can't talk again. He say, guys, please, make una not spend the whole of una 2015. They pop champagne, they change una cars, they sag your pants, and they show your swag. While you they waste time, they wait for a blend of Mother Teresa and Beyonce as wife material. He says select one out of the babes where you don't almost wreck their life and groom as wife before you run out of best man for your wedding.
Because all the guys them they marry.
They won't be enough for the wives.
Boka.
Make I add this last one. He said the truth is, we not get bride material because of too many inexperienced bridegroom.
Correct.
Bam.
I don't see this matter. These statements where your put.
The statements are plenty.
Okay, Amaka, you want talk?
For short, I go just talk say, yo, waiting you try me. No. If you no say you do our area, so if you just call them, ask and say, yo. All that story where you write, waiting you mean. Because if we sit down look am, we don't understand where you they come from. We don't turn cancel overnight. Is that possible?
No, I understand.
I don't know. I just want to understand. Because me, I don't understand. Sincerely, I don't want to talk to me because I don't understand. I want to make you come explain now. I don't go exist. I don't go talk to me, I don't sabi. That's true now.
Because you got too quick and to blow you for face because they your
Not be
It's not far from you.
You know, far now.
Well, for me, waiting for waiting your talk, fine, you no be counselor, but at least na person will be say you don't live life to a certain stage, and everything where guys is then they do, he don't see them and he don't see oh guys, all this something they do say he no go pay you, so he they try advice them because you get a lot of people where they look up to him, and I actually really love waiting in talk on top this matter. Say yes, make boys they make them wake up and say okay, you don't old, you know still be small picking again, and most of all these guys and go there with woman small time they go don't use the woman don't pass that one she too easy. Now me the one way hard they're gonna say waiting happen say she too hard. Waiting exactly once now waiting you they talk say all the people where they shout say no wife material. Really plenty people married last year. I asked my sister like last week. I say people marry for instance 2014 like say marry they go out of fashion. So if you don't marry that 2014 you don't get chance to marry again. Because even December last week of December like two people for inside this our office still married. So you did three. I need to I know. Hey, I know the last person. Maybe I don't know the person. Well, like three people marry for inside this office. So plenty people marry. So excuse say they no get wife material. Wife material no day. So I no see wife. Now I no be excuse again. I be say you yourself you get issue because hello 4 wife materials already the ground for you. So what are you waiting for?
One is
What don't go?
-1.
Well, me go talk say yeah, kudos to waiting your talk, but you go get person when they talk to. Maybe you get one particular guy where don't show like 6 women from January to December, and depend not 2 months. Now they stay with the
One
girl.
for 2 months.
Yes, 1 for 2 months, and I enough if face and maybe straight. So you just say, you know what? We can just go social media. Not even announce, and not be only you say because there are many. Because you say like wait till you talk. Say so many people they look up to around. So you go say, hey, you know what? These guys December, not be the one who take do December last year, and you can't come show me this year. I know say they always do get together for your house during Christmas period. So I say, hey guys, now time for you to start saving for the wedding. In case you know one big party, come near me. I'll go give you advice. You don't need Brazilian, you don't need drama. Just do one low key and put your wife for house. Lock that place. You don't cool use all the people the whatever is supposed to be fine children. They go say, oh my kid, oh cutie, goes and born child.
You know waiting for waiting all the things where you talk. The particular one where I like waiting Bettiana talk now the part where you talk say they not get wife material or bride material. Waiting we get nowadays now inexperienced groom materials. Now you see a man say for a man to come outside talk say now the men ain't get problem, not be the woman. I see one picture one time on top Facebook they put wife material. She did on top of bicycle.
Okay.
She carry baby for back, carry firewood for head. And some men they come and say, yes, she's a wife material.
Imagine.
She did not come and say, excuse me.
She not
Is it
slave.
not suffer? You come
On
outside
top of
talking.
bicycle. And you know when I go east, I always see those women. They ride
No,
bicycle.
Kada.
No,
That person will talk that
one
thing
wey
now,
get-
now he go still sit down for house, say, wife material, I know they see the way person will go ride bicycle with and you
I'm
wait,
telling
you hold, the OD for
I'm
you.
telling you, when I can't send my message on top Facebook, people gonna attack me, say, no, this is a wife man. That's what's wrong with you ladies of nowadays. Una no one do like this. I say, so far like
And they go go club, pop champagne of 28,000 naira.
He passed like that, say.
Then in a year, how many bottles do they pump?
I bet me
That one never reach you to
Why
one.
I still don't understand one thing. As I talk to people, say I don't understand the whole thing. What is the definition of wife material and husband material?
now waiting in the talk.
When
say
you
they
look
don't
for
understand
The definition. We feel the
List,
definition.
that means you dey look for
Let's
Mother
make it
Teresa, where you go shout, you no go talk.
Yes.
You go give am something that they sell am 10 naira and she asks you for 10 naira, give am 2 naira. Where she go look for the rest, I don't know.
And she go
Then
she go carry 1 million naira appearance, come give you,
appearance,
like
cause you
Beyonce.
want to make she dey perfect, everything up and nice, but you know they play the role of everything up and
Up and
nice.
nice.
You want
You want Beyonce, you know play
That's why
Jay-Z
you
role.
talk say you want Mother Teresa and Beyonce. That one person will go they sweep ground, we go they do all the things. You say
Arrange
move,
your
you go
clothes.
move.
They go do
And
your highness.
you understand?
You want drink water?
You
So
understand?
now wife
it
material.
be like say you,
Now the idea
it be
wey
like
they
say you
get
dey
now.
tasty, my darling. Make I blow you fan. If the AC no do, make I change that. Now this shoe you want wear, make I clean am. Now you go picking clothes, pick everything. Sorry.
But really, in general,
Grow up.
maybe stop to the look for the perfect person because really, there's no such thing as a perfect person as far as I'm concerned.
Nobody.
Now you, like waiting your talk, now you go make that woman waiting you want. Now you go make that man waiting you want. Really, you don't need to dey look for a person maybe like Beyonce, Mother Teresa, all complete. Excuse me, are you God? Just settle with that person where you get and start to dey pop all those champagne. You go use the rest of your 2015 day to pop champagne. You all don't talk am. Everybody don't talk am. Queen B don't talk am. Amaka don't talk am. Bettiana don't talk am. You had better settle with one. Oh. Settle with one.
We
And
open
for
your
God,
Open eyes.
I close my eyes just
Yes.
A word
It's enough.
a word is enough for the wife.
We open, I be like my own demon over here.
All right, tell us on top Twitter. Maybe tell us what you think about it in your talk about men when they look for wife material. And meanwhile, them too, they might be groom material. Enter Twitter, go tell us what you think about them. About Chontizo too, you think say in the bleach or you know the bleach? Enter Twitter too at Talk Wazobia Abby.
Yes.
Will they come back really?
Sharp, sharp.
With 2/4 yard of wife material.
So not go anywhere
Who be the
until they
2/4
come back.
na
She wants drink the water.
2/4, say 2/4 yard.